Hi everyone, welcome back. So let's continue the architecture of Franklin. So see, this architecture is based on serverless microservices architecture, and we already know what is microservices. So basically there are microservices which are independent in nature, and we can combine them to get a unique functionality. That is the whole concept of microservices architecture, right? And of course it is a cloud as a service offering. So we can have our own existing AEM cloud environment. On top of that, we can utilize the Franklin project as well. And that is how, that's a use case also, right? So we already have a running website and on AEM cloud, and we can use the AEM author environment, and we can use the HSS delivery project so that we can activate our content from our AEM author, and we can build the website. So that option is available. And as per documentation, it says the service is managed in separate GitHub repository. We'll see that what is the meaning of this line. Okay, and each individual service is designed to be single purpose. Yeah, that's fine. The four main areas in Project Franklin would be edge delivery. We already know it's CDN, nothing but CDN, and few computing services. Then we will have the pipe, we call the pipeline services, which is nothing but we are transforming the markdown based content transformation into hypermedia. I will create another video to explain what is markdown based content. So but just to understand, it will transform the content which is markdown based into hypermedia. Hypermedia is nothing but HTML, which HTML or anything which are our internet understands are, so it converts them to that hypermedia. Author, we already know what is authoring, nothing but here we have this Google document, Google Docs, Word, etc. It's document based authoring. And development environment, where we will put our configurations, our scripts, etc. So these are the four areas on which the whole Franklin architecture is based on. Now we will also discuss delivery stacks in Franklin. There are two delivery stacks. One is based on AWS. So in AWS delivery stack, we will use Fastly as CDN, Simple Storage Service or S3 for storage, Lambda function for serverless computing. And in the second one, in the second stack, we will see Cloudflare, where we will use Cloudflare as a CDN, R2 for storage, and worker KV for storing and retrieving data globally. Now we can relate it. So CDN here is Fastly, here it's Cloudflare, here we are using S3, here we are using R2, and then here we are using Lambda function. Similar to that, we are using workers here in Cloudflare. So these are the delivery stacks we are going to cover in the architecture. That's it in this video. In the next video, I will start covering. First, we will cover the AWS delivery stack, and then we will cover the Cloudflare delivery stack. We'll see what is the difference between these two delivery stacks, and based on your business requirement or functionality, which one you should opt for. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected.